Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to be talking to you about 3 strategies that you can do today, tomorrow, this week, whatever, to get started in film. You have a long-standing dream. Oh, I'd like to do a movie, or oh, I'd like to participate in a film, or oh, I'd like to write something, create something. There's no reason that you can't get started right away. Strategy number 1, write something small and do it yourself. So that if you're one of those people that kind of has a little bit imposter syndrome, you don't want to put yourself out there just yet, you don't want to maybe self-identify as a filmmaker or any sort of film aficionado, just try to do something by yourself. Write a small 1 minute, 3 minute, maybe 5 minute maximum story. Test your chops on the formatting of it, or just scribble it on the back of an envelope. Do something to create a little story you want to tell. Then bust out your phone, take a few shots here and there, and then play in an editor and see what you come up with. Don't worry about sound, don't worry about lighting, don't worry about performances. See what you can do just by yourself, and boom, before you know it, you will have a movie. You will have your first project out there and done, and it'll build you confidence to go out and do it again. Strategy 2, maybe you're not the creative storytelling type of person. Maybe you know that you want to do sound, or you want to do acting, or you want to do writing, or you want to do DP work. Join something small. Reach out on Facebook groups. Post something in your Twitter feed. Post something in your Mastodon feed, whatever you've got going on. Put yourself out there and say, hey, I would like to join a project. Or even better, join a 48-hour film project near you. Try to get onto a movie set where you can be of service. Probably you work for free on your first project. See if you can link up on set with somebody who already does the thing you're trying to build your resume in. So find the sound guy on set, find the DP woman behind the camera, find the director. If you want to be a director, just go talk to that person. Maybe not during shooting, but link up with them and talk to them before or after your project. Try to build some connections, and also try to get on set as much as possible to build experience. If you know you want to try this, best way to do that, join a small project near you. Strategy number 3, maybe your life is full of demands on you and you can't really go out and work for free, or you can't really sacrifice the time to build a project by yourself. Well, the best way to get into film while needing to be paid is to hire yourself out as a PA. Do the same social networking online as much as you can in your off hours, whatever. Maybe you've got like 2 jobs and you're trying to support your dream of becoming a filmmaker, trying to get your foot into the door professionally. Reach out on the social networks you have available to you in your off time, as limited as it might be, and try to join a project that offers pay, some sort of compensation for you to be a PA, because maybe you won't be able to hire yourself out as a professional DP just yet. If you're just starting out, probably not, because DPs have a wealth of knowledge that they get paid very well for, and if you're not bringing that skill set to the table, they won't want to hire you just quite yet, not for rent money. Join as a PA, maybe join as an extra, maybe show up to set and be like, okay, I'm just gonna hang around set all day, observe everything, do what they tell you to, when they tell you to, stick around for that 14-hour day. It's a long day being an extra. Respect your extras, everybody. Try to get your foot in the door that way. Again, when you're on set, talk to people, make friends, learn things as much as you possibly can. Take advantage of the opportunity that you're surrounding yourself with. But if you're that type of person that the hustle is real, I can't afford to work for free, then the best way to get into the door is to join a project, like I said, probably as a PA, because then you'll be exposed to more areas, or at the very least as a paid extra. And those 2 possibilities are available and searchable online, and that's a third way to get into the door. This is still a great opportunity to get yourself into film, and yeah, I'll see you out there. Bye, friends.
Friendly Filmmaker is a Tuba Creations production. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out our merch links in the description. Bye for now.